fresh, I'ma go like this beat so fresh, I'ma go like.
Hello all, welcome back to my channel Cybercoms. In this video we'll be looking at FlipperZero BFFB module, which is sold by Just Call Me Coco. I got this one in the second lot. Right now it is out of stock, but I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to take a look at it. So it comes with 400 and 900 MHz antennas, one GPS and two 2.4 GHz antennas. It's very simple. You can just directly plug it right off of the FlipperZero. Goes like this, and here we go. It's already turned on. You see the lights glowing in there. I'm currently using a momentum firmware on the FlipperZero. You can just directly start playing around with it, use a different modules. You have like two different switches here. One is for the CW101 and you can switch it back to an RF24, and the upper one is switching in between 900 and 400 antennas. Yeah, that's all for this video. In the next video we'll take a look at it, how to capture some of the data using all of this stuff.